We will learn a little bit more about how to get around in the city using the public transportation system. We have just gotten off of the yellow line. Those cars are authentic. They are duplicating the original cars that were here at the turn of the century. The columns around me are authentic. These are original riveted steel columns from the turn of the century. And if you look at the entrance coming in and out to the upper street, you see the name once again of the exit, Vorosmarty Ter, and you can also take a look at those marvelous doors, which are again a duplication of the way it was at the turn of the century. Another aspect about Vorosmarty Ter, which is the very beginning of our Millennium Tour, is that upstairs in the street entrance you will come out, of course, on Vorosmarty Ter, and it is the beginning of Vatsiut, many of the five-star hotels, a number of very fine restaurants, and of course you are only about 100 yards from the shoreline of the Danube River. Many restaurants, many boat tours, and numerous things to do and places to shop are all located within walking distance of this exit. Now let's go on and take a look at Budapest.
Az olyan, Ferenc tér